Good morning, everyone. It is our first full day here in Japan. We're so excited. So this morning we are getting ready to conquer Shinjuku Station. Pray for us as we start our day, and today's gonna be a good day. That was pretty straightforward. We did that! We conquered Shibuya Station! Woo! We did that too easy! Stop playing! Honestly, you guys, like, there are signs everywhere in English. Use Google Maps and you will be just fine, period. You really will. It gives you what platform to go to, what exit to take, what entrance to take. You'll be fine. Hello? Hello? Ain't it interesting? It's got a little light flavor. I can't even describe it. This is the Sakura Cream Latte for cherry blossom season. This is seasonal. Really good. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh.
Like the shape. I don't know, the color is cute. It's kind of like a denim pink.
It's popular. There's only one left. This one is really like, but it doesn't say Tokyo, so that's a no.
That one.
I think I'm gonna get that one. This one, I feel like I'll break. I'm gonna get this one. Look at how cute. We just got off the bus from leaving the Starbucks Reserve. That was such a cool experience, and I want to go to all of them. That was my first one I've ever been to, so I got one down, 5 more to go. But now we are in Shibuya. We're making a stop at 7-Eleven because Courtney wants to get some onigiri, and then we're gonna head further into Shibuya to do some shopping. When we were outside of 7-Eleven, we met some of our people.
She came up and she said, I just needed to say hi.
It was a nice family. And we talked with them for a minute. If you know what we mean, then you know what we mean.
You know what we mean.
Period. This is where we are in Shibuya. I think we're close to Shibuya. Jesus, I can't say it. I think we're close to Shibuya Scramble. But look at this. This is Japan. This is Tokyo. This is not, no it's not. Are you serious?
I don't know. I don't know. This is it. Look
at it. This is it.
We missed it.
We're here. Look at this. You are lying. This is Shibuya Scramble. We are done at GU. We did some damage up in there.
We did indeed, but not really.
But not really, because it did not hurt our pockets. It really did not.
We got a good deal.
Got this, I'm talking about, we got a whole bunch of stuff for less than $150. So now we are headed to a katsudon restaurant. We're gonna see if the line is long, so Courtney can eat there because she wants to eat there real bad. Okay, so Courtney went inside. The place is called Katsudon something. They only have one item on the menu and it's pork, and I don't eat pork. So I'm gonna have a 7-Eleven lunch today.
Hey, AK family.
Is it starting?
Yes. Okay, so I had my little meal right over there where that line is. It was real good. It was I told Kyra it was like sweet and savory at the same time. And it came with a little miso soup. And it came with a really tiny cup of water. I'm gonna need some more water though, because I'm parched. I am. Okay. Here's Kyra's meal from 7-Eleven.
Here's my spicy chicken. It's not that spicy.
Oh.
I would like it to be crispier.
Okay.
That's fine. That's pretty good. This is worth the hype, y'all. It is so freaking good. I got one of these. I just got the egg, vegetables, and soy sauce. Oh, my hand's dry. Tastes like fried rice.
Does it really?
Yes.
Oh, I know that's nice. That's nice.
This is really, really good. Yeah. Well, time for us to go to Daiso.
Never heard a crow that sounded like that thing would bark at.
The vlog. Feel like I haven't vlogged in a minute. We are back in the room. We went to Daiso, but we just got a whole bunch of random stuff, like a lot of snacks and literally the most random things that you could think of, but they're all very useful items, and we only spent like $15. We freshened up a little bit, took a minute to sit down, and now we are leaving and we are headed back to Shibuya because we are going to Shibuya Sky. So excited. The sun came out earlier, but it kind of went away again. It's been a good day. We were just talking about that we haven't, like, jet lag really has not hit us yet.
Elevator 45階に参ります。This is going up to level 45.
That was cool. We went up really fast.
My ears popped.
Yeah.
I'm so high, so high. I'm erase the aeroplanes up in the sky. I'm so high, so high.
What does it? Touch the flow of time. Be aware of yourself in this moment.
You sound a mess.
So depending on where you are inside, it shows you what you're looking at. So Shinjuku, Yoyogi Park, New National Stadium is what you're looking at over here. I do think this is a perfect time to come because you get the nighttime view and you get the day view.
We would have got sunset if it wasn't.
Yeah. And then east. Where's the sky tree? Did you see that? Oh, there it is. So that's the tower. Let me move my finger. That's the tower. And then that little dot is that little dot is Tokyo Sky Tree. Cool. If you're afraid of heights, this is your...
Literally, it made my stomach drop.
So as you walk towards the exit, you walk through what they call the Sky Gallery. And there's just a whole bunch of art pieces. We've left Shibuya Sky. It was a nice experience. I definitely think you need to go to some viewpoint in Tokyo, whether it's Tokyo Skytree or Shibuya Sky. I can't say which one's better because we haven't been to both, but I can recommend Shibuya Sky. It was really nice to see that vantage point, and even though we didn't get to experience the sunset, it was still nice to see the daytime view and the nighttime view with it all lit up. So that was really cool. But now we hungry. We hungry. Ah! Shibuya scramble. We in the thick of it. All right, we've arrived. Minya Musashi Tukumen Ramen. Dinner is served. We are trying dipping noodles tonight. There's the broth. There's the noodles. I got a black sauce and a seasoned egg. And I think this is pork. I'm not gonna eat it. Of course, I got extra green onion. Courtney got the same thing with rice. Blossom collection. Look at Stitch. Oh, Marie. Look at Marie. Eeyore. Period. As you should. As you should. Disney Tokyo. All right, Jasmine. All right, Jasmine. You've been at the beach, girl.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Look at this little Pinocchio corner. Oh my gosh, his eyes. Jiminy Cricket. He's up here on these books. There's Pinocchio. Oh,
This is nice too.
that's cute. Why don't they have this in Tiana?
This is the second time now.
This is really cute. The guy, Prince Eric. Where is Tiana? Y'all playing so much now. Where? Oh, that's the regular one.
We have to be happy with what we've got.
The music. This making me excited to go to Disneyland. Look at this popcorn. Strawberry milk. Look at this one. Melon cream soda. Now this one is probably really good. Honey caramel. Courtney, don't look like Look at these pajamas. Oh, that is cute. We are here at Nintendo Tokyo. This is in the Parco shopping mall. It's on the top level. This Courtney man. Oh my gosh. And the little Are you serious?
I have to get one of these.
And look at the little bokoblin.
Oh, it's weighted at the bottom so it's safe.
Oh my gosh. They've got the Super Mario World merchandise over here. Look at Mario. This whole area is making me excited for Universal Studios Japan, which you guys will be there in a couple days, so make sure you follow along. The way this game carried me through lockdown, I kid you not. Animal Crossing, I love ya. Look at Isabel and my boys. Last stop of the night, our biggest feat yet, Mega Don Quixote. It's 12 floors, right? It's between 7 and 12. Before we shop, Courtney is going to get a cheese coin. It's very popular online. So first you have to come over here to this little kiosk and you have to buy a ticket. And then you just come over here and get your item. Oh! Is the cheese good? It looks like it's piping hot.
It's hot.
This store is one of the most overwhelming places. Maybe shake her head. What is she? When I tell you what it's the seventh circle of hell. It is just so big. But that's all I've heard about this place. There's just people everywhere. Very narrow walkways. It is, and there's sounds coming from everywhere. But I'm getting them good products though. Take a look at my basket so far. I got a lot of good stuff in here. Skincare, got some snacks, some Kit Kats. Mostly skincare, because that's really what I came here for, okay? And other stuff too, but I had a lot of skincare on my list. And this is definitely not even all of it. So like, look at how busy it is in here. It's chaos. This is a big walkway. Don't think that's how it is. That's unusual. Okay, we've done some serious damage. And we are headed to the tax-free counter to check out, which is on the top level, and they do that on purpose. So you have to go through all of them. But we are leaving finally.